Alright, here's my next boiler. The boiler itself is 8-inch diameter, 18 inches tall. It has 12 3/4 copper tubes rolled in. That's this area down here to here. And the firebox, of course, is 10 by 10. 10 by 12, pardon me. Got a new pump on it. Works really good. It's got a 3/4 ram on it. Pump water into the boiler. Airlock is right here. When you've got water coming out of that, you know that it's going right into the boiler when you turn it off. Fill and drain is right here. Just clip a hose right on it. You can drain it if you want. Water sight glass. Always keep it above half. Beautiful little tricocs here I found. Just little miniature ones. Beautiful whistle. Blow it here. Turn down your volume. Whoa. This gauge is absolutely gorgeous. It's the best one I've ever found in this size. Really nice siphon on it. The pop-off valves are set at about, well, this one on the left is set at about 40 and the other one's 80. And I'll take this valve off when I ship it, once I know these pop-off valves work properly. Really nice boiler. Nicest one I've ever built. It's about 42 inches to the top of the stack, and there's a really nice finial that I make on my large lathe out of 3-inch copper or brass pipe, really thick. Really nice firebox. Not much going on here right now, kind of letting it die down. This handle does not get hot. That works good. Ash pan. So, engine out is back here. Right there. Order a pipe thread. The nicest one I've ever built. Partially because of these little tiny tricocs here. And a new pumping system. Just a lot more reliable. I guess that's about it. Thanks for watching. It'll be for sale on Discovery Live Steam and eBay. Or Discover Live Steam.